There we go. Ready to record. So, how are we supposed to record this if the battery is empty? And then we have to leave the door open to charge. And then you need a handle here. My power hand grip. It's 5 amp of power. So I need this to charge my camera while I'm filming. And the Ulanzi door doesn't fit here. This is too wide. And besides, it's not waterproof anymore when you do this, you know? So I don't know. Okay, so I'm gonna try to drive here a little. I'm gonna put my camera here. And then I'm to drive down here, down the hill. We'll see how that goes. Turning this on. Yeah, out of 2 angles. It's hard to drive downhill here because it's super bumpy. And I don't know in the moment how I'm going towards my little camera here. Oh, almost fell off. Okay, so look at this thing here. It's still recording because it has 100% battery. No, so see, the recording stopped again. I did start recording on this, and now it says 100% battery, but it's not recording right now. So let's check that out. Let's unlock and we swipe up to look at the picture, at the video. So this is the video I just started. Look, it plays 1 second and then it cancels it. So you can't trust this thing to record. You click record, it starts recording, and now when you watch it, it works. Holy cow. So this whole thing was for nothing. The whole recording. That is unbelievable. See, and now it keeps recording. But the moment you leave it alone, it may stop. Okay, so I'm going to try this again. Oh, drive from here. There we go. I don't know if my battery is good enough. Well, it does work. Oh yeah. Whoa, that's a lot. Okay, so it's still recording. Now it goes, see? Wonderful.